What is going on, guys? Welcome back. Man, it has been way too long, but the world's still crazy, and I just kind of been running my head down, not really worrying about YouTube or the videos, hanging out with family, or trying to anyway, and just trying to live. Been going to work. It is what it is. Some people aren't that fortunate right now, but anyway, welcome to the next episode, or the new episode, however you want to put it. Doesn't matter. We're gonna do a little work on Beyonce here. She needs a little adjustment. It's early, and I hadn't done this in a while, so my camera talk is not great. But anyway, good to have you back. A post that Matt from Moe's posted about Inez and the way their coil springs are clocked. I wasn't really into it at first. I was like, nah, there's no way, coil springs are just coil springs. I guess not, because I've got the same crooked coil spring issue in the truck after I put a little heavy load on it the other day building my privacy fence whenever we were at Home Depot getting all the stuff to build the privacy fence. But anyway, that's what we're going to look at. We're going to look at it. We're going to take some pictures. We're going to figure out maybe why this is happening. And hopefully help you not have the same issue I'm doing or having. Alright guys, well, good news. So, I undid the shocks, the bottom of the shocks. You undo the bottom of the shocks, you drop your axle a little bit, and BAM! You get to this point. Whenever you get to this point, whoa. You can almost going crazy. Anyway, whenever you get to this point, you can, that coil spring's loose. Look where mine's at. Look where the end of this, look where the end of that coil spring is at. That is not how the instructions say they need to be. I am going to double check real quick to make sure we get this done right and I give y'all correct information. So give me just a second and I'll be right back in the next clip. You probably won't even notice I'm gone. Alright guys, I am back. Got some good information. So now, this is the way the bottom of the coil is supposed to be wound. If you look right here, this guy, trying to get you some good light, but you can see the tip of the coil spring right behind this one. It needs to be facing towards the outside to your rotor. Pretty much to the end of your axle is where it needs to be. Now, obviously there's no weight on the axle yet, but they say that is supposed to fix it. We'll see, because I don't know. But now my thing is, I'm this far. Do I go ahead and cut another coil off the coil and lower my truck some more, or do I just leave it the way it is? Oh no. I don't know. It's pretty easy to get to these real coils, but I do tow a lot. I won't say a lot, but I tow enough to where, and I load this thing down enough to where I don't know if I want to go another inch. So I don't know. I'm gonna sit here and think about it for a minute. Decision made. Another half coil. Might be another inch, maybe. I'm gonna do another half a coil on the passenger side. I'm probably gonna do a quarter coil on the driver's side, because you gotta remember the gas tank sits over there, and I'm a little OCD, so full tank of gas, it's gotta sit level or close to it, or I'll go crazy and won't be able to sleep. Anyway, excuse me, my allergies are killing me. So we got the passenger side done. We're gonna put it back in. We're gonna take the driver's side spring out, cut a quarter off of it, back on the road. Alright, here we go. We're going to slide this guy back up in here. Yep, like so. Find out where this is there, right here, it's right there. Get this guy back on up in here. Align it correctly. Boom. Passenger side done. Well, that is a wrap, guys, for this video, and I have to say, it's been a couple days going back and forth to work, and the truck rides a lot better. I'm really impressed. I was not expecting the result that I got just by turning the coils. The truck has riding a lot better, and it doesn't really have a weird, you know how you go over a bridge, it's got that kind of, that little vibe, you know, that little swaying kind of motion. Doesn't do it straight and level, it just goes up and down. Like it should, like the suspension's not all tweaked. But anyway, yeah, that's it, man. Guys, y'all have a great evening, a great Memorial Day weekend, and I hope this helps somebody.